Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up user persona pages in UXPressia step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the UXPressia website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the user personas section on the main dashboard. Click on the Create New Persona button to start a new user persona page. You will be prompted to choose a template or create from scratch. Select the template that best fits your needs or opt for a blank canvas. Begin filling in the basic information for your persona, such as name, age, and occupation. Next, move on to the demographics section. Here, provide additional details like gender, education level, and location. Scroll down to the Goals section. List the primary goals of your persona in relation to your product or service. Now, navigate to the Pain Points section. Identify key challenges your persona faces that your product can address. Proceed to the Behavior section. Describe the typical behaviors and habits of your persona. Next, move to the Quotes section. Add a quote that encapsulates your persona's mindset or attitude. To enhance your persona page, upload relevant images or illustrations. Use the Upload Image option to add visuals that resonate with your persona's character. Now take a moment to review all the information entered for accuracy. Make any necessary edits to ensure clarity and relevance. Once you are satisfied with your persona, click the Save button to store your work. If you'd like to create additional personas, repeat the process as needed. To organize your personas, use tags or categories available in UXPressia. Finally, share your user personas with your team using the Share function. This enables collaboration and feedback for improved outcomes. Your user persona pages are now ready for use in your design and marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.